I was not expecting it at all. Shytoshi shows no signs of stopping. He keeps dropping bombshell after a bombshell. But today, it is completely mind-blowing. I'm left completely speechless now. But what am I talking about? Well, let's find out. Disclaimer. Yesterday, Shytoshi Kusama dropped a subtle hint on Telegram, suggesting that he was in discussion with a significant figure regarding Shiba Inu affairs. This revelation ignited excitement within the community, given Kusama's prolonged silence. In his latest message, Kusama urged group members to extend a warm welcome to this individual with the community's signature Wtf enthusiasm. Responding eagerly, the Shiba Inu army welcomed the guest with open arms. Following a spirited engagement session, the Shiba Inu ecosystem expressed gratitude to the community members and confirmed the finalization of the deal. Kusama further encouraged everyone to stay tuned for forthcoming updates. This remark triggered another wave of bullish engagement from the Shiba Inu army. Although specifics were initially scarce, the community understood that when Kusama teased something as big, it truly meant substantial developments were underway, not just empty promises. And now, we finally got the details and further explanations. Some influencers have already covered this, but it looks like they are completely missing one very important detail that completely changes the idea of the upcoming update. But what is it about? And why even those who found this hidden detail still keep it as secret? Well, let's find out. It was just discovered that the Shiba Inu team has raised $12 million through the yet-to-be-released Treat token to support an upcoming Layer 3 privacy blockchain. Wow, this is it. People have been eagerly awaiting the release of the promised Treat token for so long, with the dev team remaining silent. Now, finally, we have received not just mundane news, but something truly monumental. The Shiba Inu community is now feeling ecstatic and thrilled. They should feel this way because this development marks a significant step forward for the project. Imagine eagerly awaiting a package delivery for weeks, only to finally receive it and find it contains something extraordinary you've been longing for. A feeling of elation and satisfaction rushes over you. That's exactly how the Shiba Inu community feels right now. While the Treat token was long awaited, the revelation of a Layer 3 blockchain came as a complete surprise. Let's rewind a bit. Initially, Shiba Inu was constructed on Ethereum, which serves as Layer 1. Later, we witnessed the introduction of shibarium in August, a Layer 2 scaling solution tailored for Shiba Inu. And now, the revelation of an upcoming Layer 3 blockchain accompanied by the Treat token is breaking new ground. Here's how it works. Think of Layer 1 as the foundation, where all the main transactions and operations occur. Layer 2 sits on top of Layer 1, helping to speed up and scale transactions. Shibarium, for instance, serves this purpose for Shiba Inu. Now, Layer 3 further enhances capabilities, offering even more scalability and functionalities. An analogy could be building a house. Layer 1 is the solid foundation. Layer 2 acts as additional floors that provide more space and comfort. And Layer 3 is like adding a rooftop terrace, offering extra features and a stunning view, all contributing to a more impressive and efficient living experience. And here's something very important. In a recent post on X, the Shiba Inu ecosystem's content marketer, Lucy, highlighted that the Shiba Inu team had raised $12 million through the yet-to-be-released Treat token, indicating that the funds originated from an investment round. According to the report, the Shiba Inu development team secured $12 million by selling Treat to venture capital investors outside the United States. For those unfamiliar, venture capital firms are entities that invest money in promising startups or projects in exchange for equity or ownership stakes. Essentially, they provide financial backing to businesses with high growth potential in exchange for a share of the company. Imagine you have a brilliant idea for a new business, but lack the funds to bring it to life. You approach a venture capital firm, present your idea, and if they believe in its potential, they provide the necessary funding to develop and launch the business. In return, they become part owners of your company and share in its success. Affiliation with venture capital firms is typically reserved for serious projects because it signifies a level of validation and support from experienced investors. Venture capitalists conduct thorough due diligence before investing, so their involvement signals confidence in the project's viability and potential for success. Therefore, the fact that the Shiba Inu development team has attracted venture capital investment indicates their seriousness and confidence in their upcoming project. Shiba Inu's ecosystem leader, Shytoshi Kusama, confirmed the development in a statement. He mentioned that the fundraising involved pre-seed and seed rounds. Additionally, Kusama shared that Shiba Inu had begun the fundraising process several months back and concluded it in early April. However, he didn't disclose specific figures regarding the valuation. Yet according to an anonymous source, it looks like the fundraising was structured in 3 tranches. The valuations for each tranche were reportedly $75 million, $100 million, and $200 million. In simple terms, a tranche is like dividing a large investment or fundraising round into smaller parts. Each tranche represents a portion of the total amount raised, and they are often released or invested in stages based on certain milestones or conditions being met. The numbers mentioned above are indeed substantial. They represent the valuations assigned to each portion of the fundraising. To put it into perspective, imagine having a piggy bank and dividing the money you've saved into smaller containers. Each container holds a significant amount, demonstrating the scale of the fundraising effort and the confidence investors have in Shiba Inu's future. And here's something you should understand. Notably, the fundraising aims to accelerate the launch of Shiba Inu's privacy-based Layer 3 blockchain, currently in development on shibarium. Remarkably, Kusama chose not to disclose the name of the upcoming blockchain. This decision is to thwart potential scam attempts similar to those who created fake treat tokens ahead of its official launch. This strategy is quite smart because it helps safeguard investors and community members from falling victim to fraudulent schemes. By keeping the name of the blockchain confidential until its official unveiling, Shiba Inu can minimize the risk of scammers creating fake tokens and deceiving people. It's important to remember that the Shiba Inu community has already experienced numerous instances of fraudsters launching fake treat tokens and scamming unsuspecting individuals. These events were extremely frustrating for everyone involved. When it comes to the new blockchain development, the Shiba Inu team is developing it by utilizing fully homomorphic encryption technology from cryptography firm Zama. This collaboration stems from Shiba Inu and Zama's partnership in February to enhance privacy services for user data management. According to Kusama, the new blockchain is scheduled to go live on a testnet in the third quarter of 2024, followed by the mainnet after thorough testing. So there's not much time left until we see this exciting development come to fruition. Also, it's worth noting that the treat token will serve as the utility and governance asset for the upcoming privacy-focused blockchain. Additionally, Shiba Inu's leader has mentioned that treat will be the final risk asset introduced by the Shiba Inu ecosystem. When Shytoshi refers to a risk asset, he likely means assets that carry higher levels of volatility and uncertainty, such as cryptocurrencies or tokens subject to market fluctuations and speculative trading. These assets can entail greater risks for investors due to their price volatility and lack of intrinsic value. The announcement that treat will be the last risk asset introduced by the Shiba Inu ecosystem is good news for several reasons. Firstly, it indicates a shift towards more stable and predictable assets within the ecosystem, potentially reducing overall risk for investors. Additionally, it suggests a maturation of the project, moving towards a more stable and sustainable model. And now, here's some breaking news. Moreover, Shytoshi Kusama emphasized that efforts are underway to unveil a stablecoin before the year concludes. This news is particularly promising, given our previous discussions on the significance of the stablecoin project. And getting back to the treat token being the risk asset, by introducing a stablecoin, which aims to maintain a stable value relative to a fiat currency like the US dollar, Shiba Inu can provide users with a more reliable means of exchange and store of value. This can help attract a broader range of users and foster greater adoption of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, contributing to its long-term success and stability. So, the near future for Shiba Inu looks very, very promising. But what is your opinion on that? Comment down below. I'd be eager to read your opinion. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.